Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this layout, I am using the Good Life February collection, which is available at Pixel Scrapper, and it does come with an easy-to-print version, so I just printed off these papers here. They are already measured into Traveler's Notebook size, so you don't waste a lot of extra paper. And so I've just chosen the ones I want to use here in the background, and now I am just going to add some fun layers to my photo. This is a picture of my morning tea, and so I have some various tea elements that I keep saved in a special little bag because I do tend to photograph my tea time. It is after my Sun Magnus, one of my more common themes that will show up in my scrapbook. And so I do like to save some special elements and things for when these photos show up. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.